Let's start this beautiful morning with some beautiful lines. अपने आप को बेहतर बनाने के लिए इतना समय दीजिए, अपने आप को बेहतर बनाने के लिए इतना समय दीजिए कि आपके पास दूसरों की आलोचना करने के लिए कोई समय ही ना बचे. Thank you and good morning, my dear friends and visitors. I have with me ever smiling and energetic Manish Agarwal, fortunate fly with me.
And I have with packaging industry king Pranay Khandelwal. And we have 4 questions today. And the first important question is why. Champions, the very first question we should ask ourselves is why have you joined BNI? Why do you wake up early every Friday to attend the BNI meeting? Why do you do one-to-one? Why do you pass referrals? And why do you go to social? Why do you believe in given game philosophy? And why do you attend trainings? Why do we take roles in BNI? It is because of business or for socializing, or you just joined because your friend has joined BNI. This is actually very important to understand why have you joined BNI.
Yes, usually हम अपन ये सवाल कब करते हैं, या तो जब BNI ज्वाइन करते हैं या जब रिन्यूअल आता है. पर सोचिए अगर ये सवाल अपन वाई का हर दिन हर मीटिंग में करें तो अपने एफर्ट्स टुवर्ड्स एनीथिंग वुड बी डिफरेंट. और जैसे शेखर सर बोलते हैं कि खुद को टेस्टर लगाओ, तो स्टार्ट क्वेश्चनिंग योरसेल्फ दैट व्हाई. आफ्टर व्हाई द नेक्स्ट मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट दैट कम्स इन आवर माइंड इज व्हाई नॉट डू ट्रेनिंग्स. Why not do more one-to-ones with the members जिनसे हम 6 महीना पहले साल भर पहले जाके मिल चुके हैं. Why not to do one-to-one with proper worksheets, bio sheets and fill the last page. And सोच के जाएं कि कुछ ना कुछ referrals या connections अपने fellow members को अपन दे. Why not bring a visitor? Why not talk about this platform in our circle? और इसीलिए मैं कहता हूं कि आपके पास अपने सपनों को हकीकत देने के लिए समय केवल आज ही है. आपको अपने सपनों को हकीकत देने के लिए समय केवल आज ही है. कौन जाने कल आपके पास समय हो या ना हो.
Yes, Pranay, exactly. And the third very important question we should ask ourselves, why not now? Why not you? Why not you take the extended leadership role? Why not you bring a visitor? Why not you take a education slot? Why not you take a feature presentation? Why not you take the coordinator's role and responsibility seriously? Why not you have innovative ideas which can help the chapter grow? And why not you come with brilliant ideas and share it with leadership team so that they can make a difference in the chapter?
सवाल जब अपने पे आता है यू के ऊपर में, तो फिर सवाल आता है कब. तो कब नहीं जनाब. The last and the foremost important thing is why not now. क्योंकि कल कभी नहीं आता. हम अच्छा करेंगे, बाद में करेंगे, समय खाली होगा तब करेंगे. वो समय आप खुद रिकॉल कर लो, वो समय कभी नहीं आता. तो स्टार्ट वर्किंग फ्रॉम नाउ. Why not? Why we are waiting for? Are we waiting for the coordinators to call us and tell us भाई कुछ रोल ले ले, भाई तेरा ये रोल था तू करता क्यों नहीं है. Why we are waiting for them? Why we are waiting to pass testimonials? Why we are waiting for games to tell our captains कि भाई pass testimonials? Why we are not doing it every meetings? So really, if we want to do something good in BNI and get more business and make more money, start now with all the basics like all we know is passing referrals, visiting a member at least a week, doing some trainings which we like, coming on time, and let's talk about this platform to one who is near to us everywhere we meet. So we'll close this with a beautiful lines said by James Allen that for true success, ask yourself these 4 questions. Why?
Why not?
Why not me?
And why not now?
As success is not a destination, it's a journey. Thank you and happy networking.